Hello everybody, welcome to Sean's Garage. I am Sean and I want to talk to you today about front suspension on a 2014 Ram 1500. We're working on a pickup that we have and we're going to be changing out the front struts. And what we decided to go with, and I thought I'd do an unboxing for you, is Rancho's RS 9000 series full replacement coilover assembly. So you've got the strut, coilover, and this particular kit is available with a leveling option. So we decided to go with that and pick the nose of this truck up a little bit. So this gives up to a 2-inch leveling. So without further ado, let's get started and see what we have in the box here, and we'll talk a little bit about these. So Rancho makes this in two different styles. They have the RS 5000 series, and then this is the RS 9000, which also has some valving adjustability. So depending on your driving style, you can adjust the strut accordingly. So in the box, you just take some of the stuff out of here. This is what you get for this particular strut assembly. So we've got new hardware for the top side of the strut. The bottom side will use the factory hardware. But as you can see, you've got a fully assembled, ready to install system. So there's no having to deal with a spring compressor or anything tricky like that. This will help make the install go much smoother. And this one, for this particular application, is available in two different variations. One variation is stock ride height. This one that we went with is got a built-in leveling. So they'll bring the nose of the pickup up to about 2 inches and create a nice level stance for the truck. Some advantages, in looking at Rancho, this is good for towing, off-road, daily driving. Rancho was the first to come out with the 9-way adjustable for this style of a strut. It does reduce fade, strong and durable, of course. Handles extreme temperature changes. So these are designed for whatever environment you're using them in, whether you're in Canadian winter like we are, or all the way to Arizona desert. These struts are designed to take all types of weather conditions. Very smooth performance. We're looking forward to getting these in the truck and replacing the stock ones and experiencing the ride. And of course, they're built to last. So that is the Rancho RS 9000.